Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to this course on Excel and Business Analytics. And the topic of today's lecture is date formatting options in Excel. In order to understand the different date formatting options that are available in Excel, because there are like a number of options available, let's just quickly move to an example that I have compiled together. So over here, you would be able to see the date column, and we did talk about the date options that were available from this drop down over here in the form of the short date and the long date. But there are actually more options available as well, and you can access those options by going into the number ribbon and then clicking on the small, drop down button over here. If you click on this, it's automatically going to open up a new window, and over here you see a number of options in order to edit or format Excel data. But we're right now interested in date. So when you click on date, you would actually see the different types of dates or the different type of date formats that are actually available to you over here. And these formats are actually changeable based on locality. So multiple localities are actually available in Excel, and every locality has its own unique date format. For example, if you go to Philippines, they use a different date format system. On the other hand, if you go to, let's say, some other country like let's see, I just want to actually give you a very outlierish example. If you like select Polish or Poland, they actually follow like a different date format. In addition to that, if you look at some other option like Serbia, they actually follow a different format option. So if you like, let's say that we actually select Serbia or some other country, Slovak, and then just press OK. So you would see that it actually changes the date in accordance with the format that is in line with the country selection that we made. So you can actually go ahead and change these options. You can actually click on that option and you would see an example of how it's actually going to look in the data once you implement it. You can actually look at that and then make the selection, and you see it's actually going to make the changes in accordance with your selection. Um, Going back to this option and actually selecting United States, because this is the default option that we use in Pakistan as well. In fact, actually Pakistan does appear over here, and you see that over here these are the different date options that are available. It actually also gives you the option of selecting uh, the date which has a month appearing in Urdu. Say, so you can actually see that it has converted all the dates into a date format which actually has a name of the day in Urdu and the name of the month in Urdu. So these are like a bundle of options, when it comes to date formatting in Excel that you can use at any time in accordance to the requirement of what sort of data that you're actually handling, what regions data are you handling. If you're actually handling the data of some other region, let's say Australia, Canada, again Bosnia or Slovak or Poland, you can actually always change the dates in accordance to the dates that are actually applicable to that region by just making these small minor changes. So see you in the next lecture.